This is what the new Seedance 2.0 model is capable of. Just look at it.
You think you're tough, you think you're strong, you're just a copycat singing my song.
The motion on this is absolutely butter. Check out the physics on that. It's flawless.
I like balance.
Okay, Seedance is
like
officially flexing now.
I like
Temporal
flow.
consistency is actually insane.
I like speed.
此乃魔教藏邪气之地，务必夺回。弟子定不辱命。
我与师兄同往。
Wow, the micro movements are so human. When you look at the early signals around Seedance 2.0, it doesn't feel like just another incremental update. It feels more like a shift in how AI video tools are being positioned. Instead of acting as single-purpose generators, text-to-clip, image-to-motion, or style transfer, the messaging around Seedance 2.0 suggests an all-in-one creative engine designed to handle the entire video process from idea to final cut. The first and most obvious signal is the emphasis on what they call one-click video recreation. The idea is simple. You type a single sentence, and the system turns that into a complete video. But the important part isn't just the speed. It's the claim that the AI understands style, structure, and intent, not just visuals. That suggests the system isn't just rendering frames. It's trying to interpret creative direction, pacing, and storytelling logic. And that's a big signal about where the industry is going. Earlier AI video tools focused on generating short, visually impressive clips. But here, the emphasis is on recreating entire concepts, trends, or even iconic scenes from a simple prompt. That implies the model is trained to recognize patterns in how videos are constructed, not just how they look. Then there's the multimodal engine, which might be the most important technical signal of all. Seedance 2.0 can take up to 12 different inputs at once: images, videos, audio, and text, and automatically figure out how each element should be used. This moves the workflow closer to something like a creative board instead of a traditional editing timeline. In practical terms, it means a creator could drop in reference images for characters, a short video for motion, an audio clip for mood, and a text prompt for direction, all in one generation. And instead of manually syncing everything, the system decides how those assets interact. That's a strong signal that future AI video tools may feel less like editors and more like creative orchestrators. Another major feature being highlighted is frame-level precision. According to the page, characters, objects, and composition details stay locked across the entire video, with control down to individual frames. That's a direct response to one of the biggest problems in AI video so far: inconsistency. In many earlier systems, characters change faces, clothing, or proportions from shot to shot. But the messaging here suggests that Seedance 2.0 is aiming for production-level continuity. Not just good enough for social media, but stable enough for more professional storytelling. And that idea carries into the multi-camera storytelling feature. The system claims it can generate multi-scene narratives with natural shot connections, synced audio, and consistent character motion across cuts. That's another signal that the focus is shifting from single clips to full sequences. In other words, instead of generating one impressive shot, the model is expected to understand how shots connect to each other, how the camera angle changes, how the audio flows, how character movement continues from one scene to the next. That's much closer to how actual filmmaking works. Then there's the high-impact motion scene feature. Seedance 2.0 promises realistic body dynamics, collision effects, and fast camera tracking, even with multiple characters interacting at once. This is important because action has historically been one of the hardest things for AI video models to get right. Complex interactions, fights, chases, physical impacts require accurate motion, timing, and spatial awareness. If those claims hold up, it would suggest a leap forward in how AI systems understand physical movement and scene dynamics. Another subtle but important signal is the idea of an all-in-one workflow. The platform positions itself as something that can take you from prompt to final video without traditional editing skills. That's not just a feature, it's a positioning statement. It suggests the target audience isn't just filmmakers or editors. It's marketers, creators, agencies, and even beginners who want finished videos without learning complex software. In that sense, the tool isn't just competing with AI video generators. It's competing with the entire concept of the traditional video production pipeline. And when you put all these signals together, one-click creation, multimodal inputs, frame-level precision, multi-camera storytelling, and complex action scenes, a clear pattern emerges. Seedance 2.0 isn't being marketed as a clip generator. It's being marketed as a creative engine. The best part is that this model is going to be available on Higgsfield, which is the best AI video and image generation platform out there. You can choose from all the models, and it's very intuitive to use. For example, you can add a starting and ending frame, which is completely optional, then write a prompt as simple as "a man walks." Choose duration, aspect ratio, and click Generate. This is for Kling 3.0 model, but Seedance 2.0 is going to work in a similar way. Thanks for watching.